In this section, we'll explain TikTok's account nurturing feature. When you click on the TikTok account nurturing option, you'll see all the settings for the account nurturing feature. TikTok's account nurturing feature provides two browsing modes, vertical nurturing and random nurturing. Vertical nurturing allows you to browse content precisely based on keywords, which can help position your account's content. Random nurturing randomly browses recommended content, and the setup is similar to vertical nurturing. Here we'll mainly explain the feature settings and operation process of vertical nurturing in detail. On the right side of the page, we usually have blue help documentation. When you click on each question mark, it will provide detailed information about each feature. If you don't understand a particular feature, you can click the question mark next to it for more details. Here's how vertical nurturing works. First, the script will search for corresponding content based on the keywords you set, then automatically browse the searched videos. During browsing, it will decide whether to like or comment on videos based on the interaction probability you set. Each video will stay for the time you set, and there will be corresponding intervals between operations. This cycle continues until it reaches your set total execution time. The entire process completely simulates real user browsing behavior, making your account appear more active and natural. First, let's look at the keyword settings for vertical nurturing, which is the core function of vertical nurturing. There are two ways to set keywords. The first is direct input. You can enter the keywords you want to search for in the input box, with multiple keywords separated by commas, for example, food, travel, music, dance, comedy. The script will search for corresponding content based on these keywords for browsing, which makes your account browsing more precise and aligned with your account positioning. The second method is file reading. You can choose to read the keyword list from a file. You need to prepare a text file first, write keywords line by line with one keyword per line, then enter the file path into the file path box. The default path is /card/tk_keywords.txt. File reading has two processing methods. The first is loop. When all keywords in the file are used up, the script will start reading from the beginning again, which allows for keyword recycling. The second is delete after use. When a keyword is used, the script will automatically delete that line, ensuring each keyword is only used once, which is suitable for tracking keyword usage. Next is function selection. You can choose whether to like or comment during account nurturing. When you check the corresponding checkbox, it will perform the corresponding like or comment operation. If you don't want to enable comments, you can turn it off. For new accounts, we recommend not enabling the comment function during account nurturing. Let the account stabilize for a while before enabling comments, which can reduce the risk of account detection by the platform. Next is interaction probability. Interaction probability means how likely it is to trigger likes and comments during account nurturing. For example, with the default setting of 5%, it will randomly like or comment on 5 videos out of 100 video views. The execution probability below represents the probability distribution between likes and comments. For example, with the default 70% likes and 30% comments, when you check both like and comment, there's a 70% chance it will like the video and a 30% chance it will comment. You can adjust this ratio according to your needs. If your account is mainly for browsing and liking, you can set a higher like probability. If your account needs more interaction, you can appropriately increase the comment probability. Next is content dwell time. This refers to the video browsing dwell time, which is how long to stay on each video page before switching to the next video. You can set a time range, for example, 10 to 25 seconds. The script will randomly select a time within this range to stay. Next is the operation interval. The operation interval refers to the waiting time between non-interaction operations, such as clicks and swipes. You can set a time range, for example, 1 to 2 seconds. When executing non-interaction operations, the script will randomly wait within this time range, which simulates real user operation rhythm and makes browsing behavior look more natural. Then there's the interaction interval, which is also a unique setting for vertical nurturing. The interaction interval refers to the waiting time after interaction operations, such as likes and comments. You can set a time range, for example, 5 to 10 seconds. After executing likes or comments, the script will randomly wait within this time range before continuing to browse. For setting the total execution time for account nurturing, you can click on the main control page to set it. You can click on TikTok's account nurturing function option on the main control page and customize your time input, for example, 10 to 30 minutes. It will then randomly select a time between 10 and 30 minutes to run account nurturing. This allows the account to have sufficient active time. For the comment function, if you check the comment operation, you can choose the comment type, such as text only, emoji only, or random. If you check random, it will randomly comment with emojis or text, making comments more diverse. For text comment content, you can customize the content you want to comment. For multiple comments, you can use commas as separators, and the script will randomly select one content as the comment. Alright, once all these settings are configured, don't forget to save. After clicking save, you can execute the automated account nurturing process. Remember to set your TikTok app language to English before starting your operations. For the following demo video, we'll randomly set some values. Due to time constraints, we may set the dwell time, operation interval, and interaction interval very short. In your actual automation task execution, you need to set the corresponding content according to your actual situation.